What is good, guys? Today I'll be going over how I made $8.40 trading MNQ this morning. Um, let's get right into it. Matter of fact, let me show the proof. Let me show the proof first. Analytics. Oops, wrong thing. I don't know why it says $17 and this says 14. That's weird. But I made $8.40 today. And let me go over the trade. So coming off rip into market open, let me full screen this. Our time frame. Now, I was leaning either way. I wanted to see us either tap into this hour gap. Let me start new. Not random bar, what the fuck? Select bar. So coming in, I was leaning either way. I wanted to see us tap into this hour gap or go in and tap into this 4-hour gap. We ended up tapping into the hour gap. And wait. Tap into the hour gap. We inverse this 1 minute, but I already know there was definitely like a 30-second or a 15-second inversion. So I could have easily just entered right off of this. I was leaning either way. I wanted to see us tap into this hour gap and then go into this 4-hour gap, or tap into the 4-hour gap and then go down into the hour gap. So we end up we tap into it, we get the push up. We tap into it. We don't tap into the midpoint or the CE. This I didn't like. This inversion I didn't like. Just because we were starting to form. We were forming a 5-minute. I wanted to see us tap into the 5-minute and then push up. But we never ended up tapping into the 5-minute. Let me get rid of all these drawings. Oops, not that one. I'll leave this one. So, yeah, if I wanted to continue being bullish, I wanted to see us tap into this hour gap. Or this 5-minute gap. Because we just got the push up out of the 1-minute gap. Or the 1-hour gap. We never ended up tapping into it. We take the high, the previous day high, and we respect the CE of the gap. We literally perfectly mitigate, perfectly rebalance it. And I remember literally saying to my friend, because I'm always in the Discord in the morning, I'm like, okay, I could enter right here and target the 5-minute. That would have been a very optimal trade because, as you'll see, right here is where I would have broke even. This swing is where I would have moved my stop loss to break even. So moved break even and would have hit full TP. So that was a second trade that I could have taken, but I still wanted to just wait and see. And plus we had 10 a.m. news, so I wanted to wait for that because we could easily get manipulated out. We end up creating a 5-minute gap. So I wanted to see that get tapped into if I wanted to be bearish, as we tapped into here respecting the 4-hour. There was a 15-minute gap as well, so if I wanted to continue being bearish, would have wanted to see that get inverted. We end up aggressive push into it, tapping into the gap, inverting this 1-minute gap with an SMT from this high. Let me pull up ES, as you see right here. This high, 958 to 1011. Very clean inversion. Break even right here. And I got filled in a little bit after. I got filled in like right here. So we get the push down. stop loss move to break even, and then got taken out. So pretty much same thing that happened yesterday. It is what it is. I can't complain. Still following my rules. I was waiting for the shit to present itself. It ended up presenting itself, and then literally right after that, if I didn't move my stop loss to break even, I would have gotten cooked. I would have gotten taken out, and I would have been right on the day. But I'm not. I'm green on the week. I'm up like $15 on the week. Can I see? I can't. I'll pull it up after. But yeah, that was my trade for today. Um, Followed my rules, followed everything. Definitely could change up some shit. Like, instead of aiming for, oh yeah, I was aiming for the 4 hour gap because we just formed a 4 hour gap. I was aiming for this 4 hour gap. Whoa. Let me get out of replay. Could have aimed for the 4 hour gap, or I was aiming for the 4 hour gap. But what I should probably start doing is just aiming for 1-to-1s, because as you see, if I was just aiming for a 1-to-1, it would have been very nice and very clean. Literally take profits and then fucking rip to stop loss. But yeah, overall, I'm not mad. It was definitely some clean price action. Definitely could work on some things though, but I'm green on the week. I'm up $15.12 on the account. At the end of the day, break even is better than red. Um, what else was I gonna say? I was gonna say something else. I remember thinking to myself, oh yeah, let me just promote the Discord real quick. So hold on. If you guys want to join my Discord, it's free. Bro, what the hell? It's free Discord. I put in the trade today. And oh, this is what I wanted to say. So, there's a fake account of me now. Hold on. I wonder, let me move my face cam up here. There's a fake account. My username, this is not me. I did not join in January 29th, the 29th of January 2026. I've had this account since this Discord account since like, I wonder if I could see, March 4th, 2018 is when I've had this account. So if you get added by this guy underscore whip, this is not me. This is not me. They literally copied the about me and everything else. They took a screenshot of my profile picture. I'm not mad. I'm low key kind of I'm just in shock because I'm not profitable. So I don't know what like your goal is with this. I'm not profitable. You're not going to be able to really do anything unless you're just promoting someone else's course. Or you're just pre-firing and just like making the account for when I am profitable and just start scamming people. But overall, ending the week on a green on green, I could definitely change some things up. Like the second trade that I marked out that I talked about, I should have definitely taken that. It was super clean. We respected the CE of the gap, and we just had a clean movement down. I just didn't want to enter because of the simple fact news was about to drop, and 10 a.m. candle was gonna form. So that's that. Overall, ending on green, can't complain. And now I'm gonna go do laundry. So I'll catch you guys. I'll probably catch you guys tomorrow because I might do a hour long video of me staring at a wall, so that I can kill my dopamine detox, just staring at a wall for an hour and just recording it. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm gonna go do laundry. Overall today, price action was pretty clean, very nice. There was a lot of setups there, and yeah, peace out.